Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset Android phone without the password or the PIN, or if it's locked and you can't get in. So let's get started. So very first thing, you want to go ahead and locate the power button and the volume down button here. So what you're going to do is press the volume down and the power button at the same time until the screen goes completely black. And after that, we're going to switch over to press and holding the volume up and that power button, which are going to put us in a recovery menu to do a factory reset. So first thing I do is volume down and the side button at the same time. You're going to hold and just keep on holding like this, and the screen is going to go completely black, and then you're going to hold the volume up and that power button like this. And as you can see, after you do that, you should get into the recovery mode. Again, the key here was pressing the volume down in this side button at the same time until the screen went black, and then I switched over to the volume up in this side button. And that's going to get you into the Android recovery mode. And from there on, you'll click on once or see the option that says wipe data and factory reset. We can go ahead and do that and then select that with the select option after we go down on the volume, and then click on that, and so it's going to go ahead and factory reset it. Keep in mind, when you do a factory reset, if you had a Google account on it, you do still need to enter that password and email to be able to use the phone again. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.